All right, what's going on, guys? Tremaine here. We're going to do a market review for today's price action, Wednesday, September 4th, 2024. I'm using the micro contract because I'm currently taking notes from ICT's 2024 mentorship. So my Emini contract, which you can see right here, is all annotated and messy, and I don't want to mess that up. So same logic, same rules apply. Nothing changes just because we're using the micro contract. Okay, it's pretty much the same. But this fair value gap here on the daily chart, okay, that was our objective. I sent that out in the Discord. This was our target on the higher time frame that we were looking for when we were trading up here. Finally hit that with yesterday's trading, large sell-off yesterday, and here's today's trading here. So let's drop down into the 15-minute chart and see what took place. A little bit messy in here, but I'll explain it. So right here, midnight opening price, a little hard to see, but that candle here is where we open at midnight. And if you look closely, I'll zoom in. These are new week opening gaps. This small little gray line here and this larger gray shaded region here, those are both new week opening gaps. All right, so notice the work around those levels. You can see it just gyrating, okay, around those two new week opening gaps. We opened at midnight. We had high impact news come out at 10 o'clock. We trade down, okay, taking out sell side, trading into new week opening gaps, trading into the daily fair value gap, trading into and beneath that midnight opening price. So high impact news driver at 10 o'clock works us into a discount. We snap higher. I highlighted this fair value gap in the Discord. This was our draw on liquidity, okay, from the opening bell. All this back and forth here, there's really no inefficiency. We have this small little fair value gap here, but a lot of back and forth in here. This had my focus. All right, it's our real first inefficiency, lacking buy side delivery. Okay, from that candle's high up to this candle's low is lacking buy side delivery, and we get it there. All right, so that was our target for this morning. We trade up into that there, trade down, and I get a lot of questions. This first shaded region here, that's your AM silver bullet hour, 10 o'clock to 11. This is your lunch from 11:30 to 1:30. And the second shaded region is your PM silver bullet hour from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So we tagged that 15-minute fair value gap. Look at the high of the candle beautifully there in the AM session. Lunch, trade down, trade back up to consequent encroachment, sell off in the PM, back down into the daily fair value gap, come off that a little bit, and we just consolidate into the close. All right, so let's go to the 5-minute, get a little bit more insight in here. All right, so I forgot to address this, but we did have buy side above this high. Pointed that out in the live stream today as well. Buy side inside that 15-minute fair value gap. I'm also annotating consequent encroachment of that 15-minute fair value gap. So let's drop down to the 5-minute. Again, we had high impact news at 10 o'clock. It sends us down into a discount. We'll look at that in more detail on the 1-minute chart. Clearing out the sell side, getting beneath the midnight open, trading once more inside that daily fair value gap. We rally, small little fair value gap in here, stays open. That signs a bullish order flow. This fair value gap, we open, trade down, leaving the lower half open. That's bullish order flow. We get another pump up into the high of that fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. Sell off during lunch, during London close, okay? Typical signature during London as you hit 11 o'clock. Retrace during the lunch hour. Lunch hour, in my opinion, was sloppy, nothing worth taking. Trading once more to consequent encroachment of that 15-minute fair value gap. Balanced price range, single pass up with this fair value gap, single pass down. That entire range right there is balanced. You can see the work inside those levels. Selling off, choppy, a lot of back and forth here, slowly selling off. Sell side liquidity, lunch lows. Tagged, trading once more inside that daily fair value gap. And then we come off that. All right, let's take a look at the 1-minute. Now, I'm not going to review the PM session. In my opinion, this isn't really worth reviewing. Same thing with the lunch hour. This consolidation, trading once more inside consequent encroachment of that 15-minute fair value gap. Consolidating, slow back and forth sell-off. We're not going to review that. We're just going to focus on the 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock hour. In my opinion, this was the cleanest price action for the day. So let's zoom in and get real technical here. All right, so in the live stream, okay, we had this 10 a.m. news driver. This is that large down close candle here at 10 o'clock. Okay, I said in the live stream, I'm not interested in shorting this. There's no way I'm shorting. I'm seeing this as a Judas swing. Okay, you can see that clip here. So this is where we open at 10 o'clock on this drop down. I'm seeing that drop down as a Judas swing. We took out sell side, traded into the new week opening gap. I'm seeing that as everybody's chasing this going lower. Everybody trades news and they're impulsive. They want to short this thing, but I'm treating that as a Judas swing, and I want to ride the real move going higher. All right, I said I'm seeing this as a Judas swing. Everybody's chasing this going short because it's aggressive, it's fast. What did we really do? We traded down into the daily fair value gap beneath the midnight open. We have a small little new week opening gap here. Cleared out sell side. And if you notice, I pointed this out in real time in the Discord as well. Notice how we traded down and we just failed to reach that new week opening gap. Just missed it by a little bit, and then we start to run away. That right there, to me, that's bullish. That's really bullish. We traded down and we couldn't even reach the new week opening gap before working higher. So once I see that, I'm confident that we're done going lower and we're likely to aim for our 15-minute fair value gap objective, which we highlighted earlier in the stream. So first fair value gap here after 9:30, ICT introduced that in its 2024 playlist. We had that on our charts this morning. Okay, we clear out the sell side, working to a discount. Everybody's tripped in. Okay, sell side tagged. Everybody's chasing this going lower. We rally up, come back down. Beautiful support with that first fair value gap after 9:30. We rally up. Now, I saw these three up close candles here as a bullish breaker. We have a low, high, lower low. So we have a small little volume imbalance here. I bought that, ended up getting stopped out. No big deal. Targeting that 15-minute fair value gap. Bullish order block coupled with the fair value gap. Trade down. Once we start to move away, this fair value gap here on this down close candle, this SIBI, I drew that through. Once we closed above it, traded back down. I bought it once more, a second attempt to go long, targeting that 15-minute fair value gap. Price trades down, stops me out, takes out this low, then runs in my favor. Once I got stopped out the second time, I just told the live stream, I said, you know what, that's it. I used both my chances for the day. We're just going to sit back and watch to see if our targets get hit, which of course it did, but I wasn't able to participate in that move. No big deal. Back live trading on Friday. I don't trade Thursday of NFP week. So got stopped out twice, 2 attempts trying to go long, but it's still nice to see our targets hit beautifully. Okay, that we outlined since the open. Order block, rally, fair value gap. Notice how that lower half is staying open, signs of bullishness. Boom, target hit below the 15-minute fair value gap. Now as you enter that 1050 to 1110 macro, expect some sort of retracement, some sort of run on sell stops. Low taken out. We rally, consequent encroachment, tagging that buy side as well, reaching the high of the fair value gap. We enter London close, which typically brings a reversal or retracement as you head into the lunch hour. There you go. And like I said, we're not going to cover this. This is just sloppy in my opinion. It's not even worth going over. Same thing with the PM session. We've seen cleaner days. So that's it. Thursday's live stream. What is that? Thursday, September 5th. That will be a free tape reading stream. I don't trade Thursdays of NFP week. So 9:30 Thursday tomorrow would be a free stream. And Friday, back live trading, looking to finish the week in the green. These two setups I lost today were my first trades of the week. So looking to still finish the week in the green Friday morning. And full access members in the Discord will trade PM session on Friday as well if I have to. But preferably, I want to be done by Friday morning. We'll just have to see. But love y'all. Hopefully y'all found this insightful. And I'll see everybody in a free tape reading stream Thursday at 9:30. All right? Peace.